Never skip a systematic checklist when arriving for a service call on a packaged gas electric unit. Start by visually inspecting the outdoor section and the indoor air handler for obvious damage, loose panels, or debris, and then listen for abnormal sounds while the system is running. Check the air filter first because a clogged filter can restrict airflow, cause freeze-ups on the cooling coil, and lead to false assumptions about motor or compressor failure. Replace the filter if it is dusty or crushed, and note the filter size and type for the homeowner. Use a multimeter to verify proper voltage at the unit and to confirm that the contactor and safety switches are cycling. Always de-energize the circuit before touching wiring to avoid injury. When you suspect a capacitor issue, discharge it safely and measure microfarads with a meter rather than relying on change in sound or subjective tests. Match the measured capacitance to the nameplate tolerance and replace with equal or higher quality parts if out of range. Inspect and gently clean coils with a soft brush or low pressure rinse from the opposite side of airflow to avoid bending fins, and straighten fins with a fin comb if needed. This restores heat transfer and often eliminates high head pressure conditions. If a part seems faulty, confirm the root cause with diagnostic data such as current draw, temperature split, and pressure readings before replacing the component to avoid unnecessary part swaps and callbacks. Technicians commonly miss a dirty filter leading to cascade failures, so always check and document the filter condition and leave a clear note for the homeowner to replace it on schedule. A second frequent error is miswiring capacitors or motor leads because terminals look similar. Prevent this by taking a photo of the wiring before disassembly and labeling wires as you go, and verify connections against the wiring diagram before powering up. The third issue is cleaning coils improperly or leaving panels and debris loose after service, which causes reduced efficiency and rattles that generate complaints. Use gentle cleaning techniques, torque fasteners to specification, and walk around the unit to tighten anything that was disturbed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for packaged gas, electric repairs, and preventative maintenance, and helps contractors find work by connecting them to nearby leads and homeowner requests. We also host a discussion community where technicians and homeowners exchange tips, troubleshooting stories, and best practice advice.